So, how will you feel earning $100 every day, daily money, on a side hustle while you are still doing your 9 to 5 daily jobs? Guys, it is very, very possible. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing 13 realistic side hustle that anyone can actually do. No matter your location, you can actually do this, guys. It depends on you. And this side hustle, you can actually start it without breaking the bank. It doesn't need much investment. Some even don't need any investment for you to actually start it. All you need is just your phone and your laptop. And you need to present yourself as an authority into these side hustles. Imagine earning extra income, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel, guys. Now let's dive into this video. If you are looking up to earn passive income or to generate more income while you are still keeping your 9 to 5 daily job, you are in the right video, guys. Now, one side hustle that can actually help you to earn $100 daily is online teaching, training. I remember 2 years ago when I was trying to start my e-commerce business and I was going through my Instagram feed, an ad came up on my site. And this site, I wanted to learn more about this e-commerce on how to buy in on 1688 in China. And lo and behold, this ad came up and it was from a lady. So I now clicked on that ad and it took me to my WhatsApp business. You understand? So after chatting, I was asked to pay 5,000 naira for that particular program. After payment, because I was so interested in all her packages that she was going to deliver for that particular program. So after payment, she now took me to Telegram. That Telegram, lo and behold, we are about 175 people that paid that 5,000 naira, because if you have not paid that particular 5,000 naira, there's no how that you are going to be on that Telegram. So can you give me times 175 times 5,000 naira is going to actually give you 800 and something thousand naira, close to 1 million naira. That was what this lady was actually making on that particular site hustle. And people will be making payments daily on that particular side hustle, that particular training, I mean, because she has already recorded that particular program, because she told us that in 2 days' time, the program is going to start, that the online class is going to start. And she has already pre-recorded all her trainings. So all you need to do is to say, today we have a class, and she will start posting them and we go through them. And as you're going through them, maybe you want to rehearse. And that is just it, guys. So imagine you now, you have these teaching skills, you have this, you know how to teach. Whether you know you have a degree or not, you can actually do these teaching online training courses for people. The only thing that you need to do is to package yourself, guys. Package your training and you start doing your ads. You can actually do your ads on, run your ads on Facebook, run your ads on TikTok, on Google, and on Instagram. I met her on Instagram because she's making that kind of money. So this is one of the side hustles that can actually help you to earn $100 every day. And number two is to monetize all your skills. There is nobody on this earth that doesn't have any skills or talents. The only thing that you need to do is to discover which one is your talent and which one is your, skills that can help you to generate money. And once you know that this particular skills is valuable to people and people are ready to pay for these particular skills, guys, you are good to go. You know how to do photography, you know how to do graphic designs, you know how to do certain things. You are good accountant. You understand? You package your services, bookkeeping services. You can give it out. And also tax prepping services as an accountant. And also you are good in coding, guys. You can sell your programming skills on Upwork and also in freelancing sites. Google Jobs, Fiverr is waiting for you, guys. And this is not a game. Once you become something, you start doing some particular something which people are trying to, once people discover you that yes, you can deliver on this particular thing, guys, you have made it. They'll start calling you. You are the one that will run. I am telling you the truth. And guys, you can sell your knowledge for money on this particular side hustle by monetizing all your skills. Number three is AI training. Right now, you know that everyone is talking about AI, 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 AI. And this AI, if you know how to teach people how to use AI, companies will be looking for you, individuals will be looking for you to be able to assist them, especially make money online for starters, for beginners. I normally watch some certain things, I watch some things on Facebook, YouTube, where people are using AI to like do some certain things. And I'll because I like to read comment section. That is the best part I always like to read. So people will be asking, what kind of app are you using to do this particular thing? And some people will be asking, please teach me now. I want to know. So if you know this AI very, very well, this is a very good opportunity for you to be able to teach people on how they can use AI to make money. And at the same time, people are paying you money. It is not free. There's nothing free. You're still doing your 9 to 5 daily jobs. And anytime you feel like that job that you don't want it again, fine. You keep it or you dump it. But you need to test the waters and be sure that this is what you actually want before you now start going into, living your 9 to 5 daily jobs. And the next one is to sell on marketplaces. This is one of my best side hustles. Selling on marketplaces, online marketplaces is a very good side hustle. You are still going to your job. Whether you want to sell on Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, all of these marketplaces allows you to make money. Even Facebook marketplaces. If you don't want to sell on there, you can actually get your own website and start promoting them. This is actually making money for people, guys. It's one of the best side hustle that I enjoy doing e-commerce business. All you need to be is be answering people questions. And if you have the products, you make sure you deliver to them, they pay you your money and you go your way. I make money every day in my house on these marketplaces, especially Facebook marketplaces. Don't joke with it unless you don't know what you are doing. So if you actually want to know how to sell on marketplaces, go to those sites, add your profile and start making money, guys. And the next one is to sell digital products. Digital products right now is making money for people. Download ebooks, music, movies. You download those items, those files, you pay. It's not free. So if you know that you can actually arrange digital products, guys, you can arrange them for money and promote it on your site or the necessary sites that you need to promote them, and people are definitely going to buy it from you. And right now, I'm going to be talking about baking. This is one of the side hustles that's actually making money for people. Baking things right now, guys. There are so much events, entertainment. People need to entertain people with item 7. And baking is one of the side hustle I would recommend you if you know how to bake, or you have flair, or you also want to go and learn how to bake. It's a very good one. People bake cake, bake cookies, bake bread, bake different things. You understand? If you know how to do all of these things, banana bread, they bake it in their house. Now you don't actually need to go to the bakery to buy them. Cakes, people do parties, birthdays every day. Even in the school, they will carry the cake to school. I be wedding cakes. I even learned last month. I be this month. One couple were sad. The cake baker did not supply the cake, and he has been paid almost 400,000 naira for him to release cake, do cake for a wedding, and he could not do it, guys. Baking is one of the side hustle that can actually help you to earn more money. And the next side hustle that can actually help you to make $100 daily is YouTube, guys. Don't play with YouTube. The only thing that you need on YouTube is to find your niche. And you can also start with your phone. You don't need to start buying all the equipment. Once you find out your niche, you start posting videos at least regular. At least make sure you start posting at least 3 or more times in a week. Definitely your hustle is going to pay. And YouTube pays you every day. You earn every day on YouTube. End of the month, they pay you your money. And you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. People are giving testimonies on YouTube, guys. So, and the next side hustle that can actually help you to generate $100 every day is podcasting. Podcasting right now is making money for people. There are lots and lots of podcasts. Anything that you see people doing, a lot of people are doing this thing, and this thing is in competition. Just know that that thing is actually paying. Put yourself as an authority. And before you know, you start making money. Podcasting, you can start podcasts on Apple. You can start it on Spotify. All you need is to be audible. Know what to say. You need to be loud because this is audio. Make sure that your microphones are in good health. There is podcast. You can also start podcasts on YouTube as well. They are doing podcasts on YouTube. YouTube allows you to post almost 2 hours, 3 hours videos. So find your niche and start promoting it. And you need subscriptions, you need followers. Just gather them, and before you know it, all these things can attract sponsorships for you. It can attract brand deals for you on podcasts. And right now, I'm going to go to the next one, which is personal organizer. A lot of people are looking for people who can actually help them to organize items in their homes. If you know that you have the passion, because like me, I might be organizing some things and I become hungry. So if you know that you are good in organizing things, like me, I am not good in organizing things. You know that you can do that. Put up your profile, guys, and start advertising yourself. Before you know it, people will start calling you. So people need help that can actually help them to arrange things in their homes. People that are even moving to another homes, they need helpers. People that are even in their homes and their homes is already scattered, they need some people to help them to be able to arrange some of these things. Put yourself up there. And the next side hustle that can actually help you to earn $100 is what? Mobile laundry. Mobile laundry and ironing. Some people cannot and they are good in ironing. You can decide not to wash, you understand, and do people's clothes. Right now, a lot of people don't have time to take care of their clothes, so they need people to do some of these jobs for them. They wear clothes. Clothes looking good is one of the good things that we love doing. And if you know that you love washing clothes, laundry, or ironing. You can even decide to do only ironing without washing. That is actually going to earn you that kind of money doing your side hustle. And the next one is Kindle publishing. Kindle publishing on Amazon is actually helping people to make money. And this is no news. I have seen a lot of testimonies about people making money on this Amazon site, Kindle publishing. You understand? You write your own books and you sell them. Some people even also sell for people as well. So this is actually making money for people. If you're looking for any side hustle that can actually help you to make money, these side hustle are realistic, something that I know that can make you money. And the next one, but the last but not the least, is Airbnb hosts. To be an Airbnb host is one of the side hustles that can actually help you to make money. As you can see, a lot of people are traveling today even to create content. People go for holidays, people go for vacation, people have work to do, and they need a place that they can actually stay for some time before they now go back to their home. And you know, you have a property where you people can rent, or if you are even look some property where they are not using, you can go and talk to the owner so that you people can start renting them out. It's actually making money for people. And the last but not the least, blogging is a very good side hustle that can actually help you to generate $100 every day, guys. Yes, get a website and you have any niche that you love to write about. You can start writing things. And before you know it, you get monetized on this side, guys. This is possible. If you enjoy watching my videos, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Hit on the notification button so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first to get it. It's your baby girl, a beast lady on the beat. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. See you next time and bye bye.